Yoruba actors Odunlade Adekole is said to be crowned as a king in his hometown, Otun Ekiti, in Ekiti State. Reports say he was being tipped to become a king of his own town. Many of his fans will not know that the versatile Yoruba actor is not a native of Adekola, but only based there. Meanwhile, the truth is Odunlade was born and bred in Adekola, but he is from Otun Ekiti, Ekiti State. He is from a prominent royal family, Olotun, and his name will tell you more about family lineage. The talented actor was born on 31st December 1978 in Abeokuta, Ogun State. He attended St. James Primary School and St. Peter's College in Abeokuta, obtaining a West African School Certificate examination before he proceeded to Moshood Abiola Polytechnic, where he received a diploma certificate. He further proceeded his education, and in May 2018, he received a degree in Bachelor's in Business Administration at the University of Lagos. In 2019, the late Oba Adekola, who was the king of Otun Ekiti, joined his ancestors, and since then the throne has been vacant. Few days ago, there were rumors that some ruling houses had raised the alarm that the kingmakers allegedly assembled themselves in a secret location to select one of the contestants for the stool without carrying the government along. This development created unnecessary tension in the community, not until government representatives led by the Deputy Governor Otumba Bisi Egbeyemi intervened. So very soon, Otumba and actor Odunlade Adekola may become the Olotun of Otun Ekiti.